Hi guys, welcome to Tech Tricks tutorial. Today we're going to talk about how to convert any website in Figma into a HTML and CSS. It's a step-by-step guide to follow easily, and don't forget to hit the like and subscribe button. Let's get right into it. Now the first thing you're going to have to do is of course open your design of your website, and then after opening your design, I'm using a very simple design right now just to demonstrate how to do this. What you're going to do next is you're going to click on this option over here, search for the plugin Teleport HQ, and click to run. After that, you're simply going to select the specific frame that you're trying to convert into an HTML and CSS, then click on export as new project over here. Just like that. By clicking that, you will be redirected to Teleport HQ's main website over here. And in this section, it's basically like a separate editing software for your design. Click on Save Project. And as you can see, this is our output over here. It's the same thing. We did it earlier, so we won't be able to do it again. So I'm simply going to open this. And we're going to wait for it to open. And this is our design over here. You can do more designing or like changing of multiple things through this section as well. But when you want to get the HTML and CSS now, you're simply going to click on this option over here on the top right, generate code. And by clicking this, you will be able to get the HTML code over here and the CSS code over here. And that's it guys. Hope you enjoyed the video. Thanks for watching.